It's dirty. Super dirty. I try to get it cleaned out so I don't eat rust and rat dookie every time I drive it. sure that went exceptionally well. I sprayed a little the Croil on there, and the bolts came right out. And they're not too awkward. The front seat's a little hippie and awkward, but check out what's left of the floor pans. So a Maverick floor pan replacement is pretty expensive. And I honestly don't know if there's all that much of a difference between it and, say, a 65 through 70 Mustang. And I had a guy tell me the other day that the floor pans out of a 65 through like 69 or 70 Mustang would go in here fine. So that's what I've ordered. And it would have to be better than trying to English wheel this stuff and get the curves and the little, you know, reinforcement lines and all that stuff in there. So I'm gonna go with the Mustang floor pans, because I don't really ain't much of an option. Yeah, to be honest with you. But the tunnel's good and the back is good. And the rockers are really good. Evidently, because I remember my original 72, the windshield gaskets were real bad to leak. And that's it, you know, apparently what happens. But you can see the subframe is good. I mean, it's solid in there. So all there is now is to get this cut out and get the floor pans in there. These metal panels here, they are razor sharp. So what I'm gonna get you to do is, while I hold the metal, you go down there and pull the box. Yeah, just grab it in the box right here and pull it that way. So much. That's what we was looking for. You're gonna lean that up on the back of the truck there. We got 2 pans. Like it's been handled by FedEx for sure. Get me a pair of vice grips to clean that up. Thank you so much. I'll get you to help me with this right here. Over here. Right here. You see how this is bent under? It ain't supposed to be that way. This right here is supposed to come straight up all the way out to that corner. So what we need to do, we need to put that on there. We need to bend it up. So I'm gonna hold it right here like this. Alright. And you pull straight up. Alright, hold it. Let's move it right to here. Alright, you pull it right there. Put both your hands back here on the far end, and I'll help you. Just like that. Very good. Now see how this is low right here? We're gonna bring it over, we're gonna do the same thing right about there. Very good. We got a little low spot right here. Yep. And I think we can beat the rest with a hammer, don't you? Yeah. Looks like we got this end down here. Let's put it in here. No, that'll be good. I think that'll work out. You hold that for me?
See a little dent right there.
Yeah, got one on that one, don't we? Straighten it out. Flip it over. them vice grips. We'll take them off. Yep. All right.
I'll just put them right here.
Now, if you would, bring them in here. Them's a family heirloom. We'll take them, set them right here on this thing. See what the pan looks like. You got them vice grips.
Remember where they are.
Yes, thank you so much. Watch that camera. I think the little feller might have been mistaken on the floor pans and such. Definitely not made for a Maverick.
Yeah.
But I think, I still think it's better than flat, you know, just some piece of flat metal.
Yeah.
I'll have to massage it in there. That'll be what's next. Massaging it. You know?
Yeah.
All right.